Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it is day 4 of the 12 days of Christmas in July, and in today's video, it is my first of my favorite SVGs. Not only is it my favorite SVGs to use for this time of year, but it is my favorite free SVGs to use. Yeah, you heard it, free SVGs. You can download them right now. They are free. They are amazing to use. This one is from the website, The Dreaming Tree. The link will be down below in the description box. And yes, I've used this multiple times. It is a little milk carton. Okay, the last time I used this, I used it for Valentine's Day. I made it for my son and filled it with his favorite candy. It was part of his Valentine's Day gift, and yeah, it was amazing. Today we are also going to fill it with candy. It's a great little stocking stuffer or to put under the tree with your loved one's favorite candy. I have everything cut. I cut it on my Cricut yesterday. I did okay, so today is the 9th. I'm filming a ton of these videos. Boom, 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 boom. So you'll hear me say, I cut a ton of stuff on my Cricut yesterday and all these videos, and that is what I did. I cut so much stuff. I die cut, I cut on my Cricut. I prepped a ton for these videos so I could just get them out and get them filmed. So I cut a bunch of stuff on my Cricut yesterday, and this was one of them. And then this morning I was like, oh, well, maybe I should cut the mats for the... So I cut the mats. The mats are, if you cut this to size, first of all, A, when you go in to cut this, change all of the lines to score lines. Okay, that is one thing you need to do. All of these little lines here are not, they're cut lines in the file. They need to be changed to score lines. Okay, so you need to go in and do that. And then if you have a scoring tool, the scoring wheel, depending on what you have, they need to be cut to, they need to be score lines. Okay, they're not score lines in the file. You need to change them to score lines. What I recommend is, if you're going to be using this a lot, to change them to score lines and resave the file so you don't have to do that every time. Okay, and then if you're using it the size it already is, it's a 3 by 3. It's 3 1/4 by 3 1/4, so you get a nice little mat. All right, and for what we're filling it with, we are filling it with Andes Cherry Jubilee Thins. This is a rare, rare candy. It only comes out at Christmas time. And I know what you're saying. You're saying, Mimi, it's July. How do you have these if they only come out at Christmas time? Bitch, because I still have some left from Christmas. Don't judge me, okay? Don't judge, right? Don't judge here. Go away. It's a judgment-free zone. Judgment-free. Stop looking at me like that. We got a lot for Christmas, okay? It's my son's favorite. It's my favorite. And so you know you can get them at Target. That's the only place I ever found them, is at Target. And in little bags at the Dollar Tree. That's where I found them first, at the Dollar Tree. And they're that good. And then we hunted them down and found them at Target. I don't want to tell you how many that got exchanged for Christmas in my family. It was a lot. Anyway, let's start. Sorry. I'm sorry I called you the B word. Please forgive me. But don't judge me anymore, okay? There's so many boxes still left over because they got buried in my candy drawer. Yes, I have a candy drawer. Don't judge me. Stop. Stop judging me. Doesn't everybody have a secret candy drawer? And if you don't, why not? Stop judging me. I see that look you're giving me. Stop. I don't judge you. You're mean. It's not my fault. I grew up this way. Blame my mommy and my daddy. Anyway, I'm just folding the score lines. Just folding on the score lines. Yes, that is the best candy. But it literally only comes out at Christmas unless you want to spend a fortune. And yes, I still have some left over because it got buried. Okay, so scored, scored, scored. Let's go on to the next one. And I am sorry for calling you the B word. That was not nice of me. My mommy would be so disappointed in me. Okay. She's gonna, she's gonna text me as soon as she sees this video. She's gonna yell at me. That's alright. I'm an adult. I am an adult. Okay. So we're just folding on all the score lines. Actually, my son found that candy in the drawer the other day. That's how I knew there was still some in there. It's like, Mom, you still have some of this candy? Yes. Judge not lest ye be judged, dude. And then he ate some. And he's still here, so it's still good. He survived. I think. I haven't heard a peep from him this morning. So maybe not. Okay. Now, are we going to remember how to put this together? Maybe. Maybe not. Okay. This is all the pieces, right? Yeah. So we glue. We're going to use sticky tape, because sticky tape is my friend. So we're going to use sticky tape, and we sticky tape these guys together right here. These little tabs. Okay. I also forgot to grab a ribbon. You're wondering, what's the ribbon for? The ribbon's for this. See those little holes right there? That's what the ribbon is for. You wind a ribbon through there and it keeps it closed. Okay. And yeah, I cut this out of blue paper. I literally was just grabbing random paper yesterday, right? Like, I'm just going to grab random paper. I'm sure I can find something that'll work. Some kind of Christmas paper that'll work with this paper. And then for everything else that I was cutting out, I was just using scraps. Like, I have to just use up scraps. I have this huge scrap bin next to my chair. It's all scraps. Plain colored scraps. Okay. Plain colored scraps. That's what it is. It's all plain colored. Can I match this up today? I mean, maybe not at this rate. Project's mad at me. Oh my gosh. I know. Even the cat's mad at me. He's yelling at me. He's not yelling at me. He's probably hungry. Okay. There we go. And then we're just going to burnish these down because I don't remember if I did or not. Can you hear the cat crying? Bitter. Cats are very bitter. He's hungry. And then we're just going to... I hear you. It's not my fault the kid's not up. Go sit on his face and wake him up or something. Okay. So now we have the base of our milk carton. Now we're just going to do one of those little jobs. Fold in. Fold in. So what I'm going to do is put some tape here on one of these, just straight across the middle, like that. Burnish it real good. And then across one of these to close the bottom. Okay, and while we're at it, before we close this up, we're going to glue our mats on while it's flat. This is last year's paper pad from Park Lane Come Together, I believe it's called. But yeah, it's from Joanne. It's from last year. I'm trying to use up last year's stuff. I don't want to... I did buy a shouldn't say I don't want to buy anything. I did buy something from Peachy Cheap. It's Simple Stories Frosty something or other, but it was so adorable. I don't know if it's this year. It's probably last year's kit, which I don't care. But when you buy from Peachy Cheap, first of all, it's cheap. Second of all, you get all the goodies that come with it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'm going to have it for when I want to do something with it. But I don't want to buy a lot of Christmas stuff this year. I did get 2 Christmas things in my now. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so those do go there. I had to fold it to make sure I could put paper there because I cut them just in case. I wasn't sure. I got 2 12 by 12 Christmas kits in my Echo Park mystery box from June. But other than that, I didn't really want to buy any Christmas paper. I'm trying to use up what I have. But like I said, the Simple Stories kit from Peachy Cheap, I just had to get it. First of all, Simple Stories is one of my favorite paper companies. I do love Echo Park. Don't get me wrong. But when they're the fun kits from Simple Stories, like the fun kits, they're just so bright and fun. And this was one of the fun ones. Okay, so what I'm going to do is... Oh. Why did nobody tell me I didn't put tape on the other one? When were you guys going to tell me? You weren't, were you? Okay. Off my finger. Square it up. There we go. There we go. Now we fill it with love. Okay? Look, it's made with real cherries. Made with real cherries. Okay, so it makes it good for us. Alright? We don't judge. No judgment here. When you're judging me, I feel it. It didn't fall. It fell. And then fill it up, and then we poke the sides in. Remember where we creased it a little bit? We poke them sides in, and if we had ribbon, which we do, I'll go grab some. Come on, poke in the right way, please. Poke in the right way, please. Okay. There we go. That one side did not want to poke in right. There's always one that gives you a hassle. You know it, right? Okay. I gotta go grab ribbon. Hold on. Oh, man. Oh, man. So, I pulled out blue ribbon. Why? Because my ribbon's just a mess. So, let's cut a length. And I also found the paper pad and pulled out a tag. And all we're going to do is run the ribbon through all the holes. You see there's multiple holes. So we're going to weave it in and out through the holes. In, out. Come on. How if I glued that right there. Well, aren't I a ding-dong? Nobody gonna tell me I missed that part? Nobody? Nobody? Y'all just gonna let me live my life blissfully? Unaware I forgot to glue there? You guys. You guys. Didn't tell me I missed the tape there. Wasn't paying attention at all. You guys. You guys. My mom wanted me to go shopping with her this morning. I'm like, I wish I could, but I can't. I got so much filming to do because the next 2 days the boyfriend has off and we got a lot of crap to do. I have to go for more blood work. I'm tired of going for blood work. Seriously, I'm starting to think. Like, I'm just starting to think the doctors don't know what's wrong with me. They don't. They actually don't know what's wrong with me. But I don't want to go for blood work again. I'm tired of going. I'm literally tired of going for blood work. I am such a hard stick. And if they ask me one more time if I drank water, I'm going to scream. I tell them every single time I go for blood work. I'm a hard stick. And yes, I drank water. That is what I say to them every single time. And then they still question me. Are you sure you drank water? Yes, I drank freaking water. Do you think I like to have you poke me? Do you think that's fun times for me? Okay, so here we go. It's all closed. Ribbon's in. We're going to tie it one time. Okay, and then we're gonna put our tag in. I did back the tag. Okay. Put the tag in. And then tie a pretty bow. And cut. Well, that's a big bow. That's a big bow I tied. And then trim the ends. Okay? And there we go. A pretty little milk carton. Okay? And now you could go all out. You could decorate this up. Okay? You could decorate it. You could add more stuff. Now, if I had more stuff that went with this collection, I would go crazy. I would put all kinds of stuff on here, but I don't have more stuff that goes with this collection. I don't. But if you were using like a collection where you had stickers, I would decorate this up. Yep, but I don't. So there you go. Project number 4. 4 in the bag. There are 3 more projects using free SVGs coming. Okay? I believe 3. Yes. 3 more projects using free SVGs coming. And this one, once again, is from the Dreaming Tree. It's called the Milk Carton. And it will be linked below. So, there you go. Let me know down below what is your favorite candy that is only found at Christmas time. I want to know. I'm very curious to know your favorite candy only found at Christmas time. I'm curious. And have you ever had these Andes candies? Because they're freaking delicious. Seriously. If you don't want to spend the money to buy the bigger pack, which is not much more than the Dollar Tree. It's like $2 something at Target for the bigger pack. It's $1.25 for the Dollar Tree, obviously, for a smaller pack. But give them a try. If you like cherry and chocolate, give them a try. They're delicious. I don't have 3 more packs hidden in my drawer. Stop judging me. Thanks for joining me today. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. You guys have a great rest of your day.